Instead of watching a 20-minute video just to find out if it's worth your time, ask Gemini to summarize it first. Here's how. Open gemini.google.com and just type what you're looking for. I'll ask, find a YouTube video about how Spotify's recommendation algorithm works, then summarize the first result. Hit send and wait a moment. Gemini finds a relevant video and gives you a summary of what it covers, so you know exactly what you're getting before you click play. Or if you already have a specific video in mind, copy the YouTube URL and paste it straight into Gemini. Add summarize this and give me the key takeaways and hit send. Gemini reads through the video and pulls out the main points for you, and you can keep going in the same chat. Ask a specific question about what the video covers. Gemini stays on the same video and digs deeper without you having to repeat anything. That's it. Open Gemini, describe the video you want, or paste the URL and ask for a summary. Works on web and mobile, free plan, no setup needed. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.